11.4, multiplying integers. We talked about adding and subtracting integers. Alright, we want to focus on being able to answer this question in depth, not just a couple words. Is the product or quotient of two integers positive, negative, or zero, and how can you tell? So as you go through this lesson, you want to make sure you are finding information you can answer that. Now, multiplying and dividing integers is very similar to regular multiplication that we've done for so long, and dividing like we've done for so long, except for two key points. And this is how you can tell whether it is a positive answer or a negative product. So if your two factors have the same signs, so that would look like -4 times -2, right? Same signs, or same signs like this, 4 times 2. And then your product is going to be positive. So we see negative here, negative, and my answer is going to come out to be a positive answer. So same sign, positive product. So and again, 4 times 8 or 4 times 2, same sign, we end up with a positive product. Now they're not always going to have same signs. We know that. So looking if they have different signs. So I have 4 times -2 or -4 times 2, right? We have different signs. One's positive, one's negative, negative, positive. First thing we're going to look at is the product going to be negative or positive? We look and see that they're different signs, so I know this is going to be negative. We have different signs, answer is going to be negative, and then I just multiply as if they're both positive numbers. So 4 times 2 would be 8, 4 times 2 would be 8. So then my answer is, or my product is -8. Those are the two key points you need to remember. The same signs equal a positive product, different signs equal a negative product. Even if they're both negative, they're still matching signs, it'll be positive. Okay. Now, using integers with exponents, so using exponents, now I know if I have 2 to the 4th power, right, that equals 2 times 2 times 2. And as we've done in class, we write it out, then we one step at a time. 4 times 2 times 2, 8 times 2, and we end up with 16, right? So 2 to the 4th equals 16. Now with exponents, you have to really keep track and do this one step at a time. So if I have -2 to the 3rd power, right, that equals -2 times -2 times -2. So this first step, and I'm going to highlight that because I'm multiplying these first, and I'm using numbers like -2 just so you understand the concept. You're not stressing about what the product of those two numbers are. So they're the same sign, so I know that's going to be positive. So it is a positive 4 times negative 2. So then I have 4 times negative 2. And I'm just going to put a little arrow, same sign, equals positive product. A little reminder. Here we have different signs. Negative product. So then my answer is negative 8. Okay, and if I have negative 3 to the 4th, I'm writing it out first. This is key. Make sure that you write this out. If you're trying to do this in your head, you're going to, it's one more thing you have to keep track of, and you are more likely to lose something. Now, I know sometimes when you're multiplying with exponents without the negative sign, you're used to doing this with just positive numbers. You multiply parts. That you don't want to do. Now you see it started out as a negative, ended up with a positive. So you see negative 3 to the 4th power equals 81, or negative 2 to the 3rd power equals negative 8. Now I want you to look at both of these examples I just gave you. And I want you to answer this question in your notebook. What pattern do you recognize when using integers with exponents? So look at those two examples I just gave you and see what pattern you can recognize. So then pause the video, answer that question, and then you unpause it and keep moving.